Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we are here to show you very creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about crocheting car accessories. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Here are some benefits of crocheting your own car accessories. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Personalization. You can customize car accessories to match your personal style or the interior of the car, creating a unique and personalized driving environment. Creative expression. Crocheting allows you to showcase your creativity by choosing color, patterns, and designs that reflect your personality and taste. Cost effective. Making your own car accessories through crochet can save your money compared to buying pre-made items from stores, especially if you already have the materials. Eco-friendly. Crochet allows you to use sustainable materials like organic cotton, recycled yarn, or upcycled fabric, making it an environmentally friendly option. Customization to fit. You can create accessories that are tailored to the specific dimensions of your car, ensuring a perfect fit whether it's for seat cover, steering wheel cover, or even gear shift cover. Skill development. Crocheting car accessories improves your crochet skills, allowing you to experiment with new stitches, techniques, and patterns while working on real projects. Therapeutic and relaxing. The repetitive motions of crocheting can be a calming effect, helping reduce stress and providing a relaxing activity, especially during long car trips. Durability. Crocheted items, especially those made with high quality yarn, can be durable and long lasting, which makes them suitable for car accessories that need to withstand daily use. Unique gift ideas. Handmade crochet car accessories make thoughtful and personalized gifts for car owners, adding a personal touch to birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Functional and practical. Many crocheted items such as cup holders, keychains, or organizers serve practical purposes that improve comfort and convenience during car rides. Customization of colors and patterns. Crocheting allows you to mix and match colors or choose patterns that complement or contrast with your car's interior. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting seat cushions, headrest cover, and steering wheel wrap can make your car ride more comfortable by adding softness and padding. Better grip. Crocheted steering wheel covers or gear shift cover can provide a better grip, which is especially helpful for people who find their hands slipping on the steering wheel.